Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going over how to create a bar chart within Tableau. So, first things first is I am going to rename my sheet. Personally, I think it's a lot easier to rename your sheets and then know what you're talking about and see it later within your sheet. So I'm just going to rename this to bar chart. Please rename your chart to whatever you feel like is indicative of what you're trying to visualize. So that way you're not just like wildly speculating on what it is and getting lost. Next, I'm going to go over here to show me and see what the requirements are for a bar chart. Right now, we're just going to do a horizontal bar chart just because that's one that we have right now. That's the easiest one to show a simple bar chart. So what we'll need is one measure, the pill will be green, and one dimension, the pill will be blue. So let's grab one blue and one green from our data source over here. Now I am just using the sample superstore data that comes with Tableau. So you should be able to use the same data set to see similar data. So let's see, what do we want to break this down by? See, bar charts are great for showing maybe something over time, showing different categories of things. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go with profit. Let's do profit, not sales. So right now we just have a simple bar chart and it's just showing our sales. It's not showing anything over time. It's not showing anything over a specific date. I'm going to go here with order date. So right now it is just showing us more of a line chart than a bar chart. So I am going to go back and click on the horizontal bar chart to show what our profit is. I'm going to get rid of this little pane up here. And as you can see, now we can look at our bar chart. 2023, we had 51,000 in profit, and it has gone up as the years have gone by. Now, if we wanted to change up the colors, we can here. We can change it to various different things. If we wanted to choose more colors, we could. We can change up the opacity, so just how see-through is it. If you want it to be like super low, then you can do that there. We can change up the size of the individual bars itself, as well as the labels. We can see the mark labels, which personally I find is really, really helpful here so you don't have to hover. Now, I don't really like how the opacity is here, so I'm going to bump that up a little bit. There we go. Now, I feel like this is a good design choice. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and save this, we could. We could save as or just save, depending on if you've already saved your workbook before. But that is just a quick, simple how to create a bar chart within Tableau. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I can. You can connect with me on LinkedIn if you would like. I'm at Emily Call MBA over there. I also teach as a LinkedIn learning instructor, so you can catch my Tableau course coming out soon there, as well as a number of Salesforce courses. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, and thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.